Hi guys, again Alexandra here. Today I'm back with another review, this time for Lumen5, which is a video creation and editing tool. Thank you again for tuning in to my channel's videos. To get started, know that this tool is very simple to use if you are already familiar with other similar formats of the editing dashboard. Now, before starting from scratch, we are actually having a look at the top feature for Lumen5, which is the instant videos creation. Now, how this works is that you're going to go to Manage Feeds, and here you add in the link to your blog. Now, this is only going to work if you have an RSS feed, otherwise it doesn't always work. Sometimes when you add a specific link instead, it's not going to work because the tool is not able to find the RSS feed on that blog. Now you're going to go back to your instant videos, and what Lumen5 does is that they use machine learning to put together articles based on the written content you have created and maybe some images that you have in that article. Now what I recommend is always creating videos for articles where you have a good structure, like headings, bolded sentences, anything like that, that will make it easier for the video to actually have a logical order, so you won't have to edit it that much. Now, after selecting the article, you are opting for how you want that article to look like, either from your own brand preset, which you can edit on your main dashboard from brand presets. You can always add a new brand preset with paid plans or just stick with this one. Usually the free version is very basic in terms of branding, and from here you can just change the color that you want to use throughout all of your videos, font, other settings, maybe the theme, and so on. So for this video, we are going with the brand presets. Then you have to choose the video format from Facebook, Instagram, anything like that. In this case, we opt for a newsfeed video for Facebook. And just note that this tool is actually quite fast, so you will have your video ready in less than 1 minute if it's not too long. Now next, you will be taken to the actual video editor. And on the left, you have what is basically the script that you gave, that is the article from the link you chose. Now to edit the text on the right side, you actually have to double click on the content. Now what we are going to do first is to just preview the entire video and see where the mistakes are and what we need to edit. Now you can also preview just a specific slide, let's call it, or a shot. You can always work around with the layouts a bit. So you can choose, for example, the first scene with a simple click without having to really create it from scratch. And just like with any other design tool, you double click on the text and you will get your settings right away. You can go to more options as well and have some editing features related to the animation of the background. You can remove the media on your background and end up with this blank screen, or you can go to media on the left side and just select an image of your choice that will appear here at the top. This can be a video, a GIF, or an image. And of course, you have your music settings. Again, choose from the ones in the library here or upload your own. And you have the style features, which are essentially the branding options. Of course, you can always change the actual format of the video, even if you have already edited it. The changes will be kept. It's just that the ratio of the video changes a bit. Just note that you can also record your own voice here at the top. And on the right side, you have options to make the video go faster, slower, or just stick to the normal pace. Now, a brief problem with the tool is that the free version is not that high quality for today's standards, so you will have to pay for getting Lumen5 at high quality and to remove the branding that is at the end. Now let's just go back a bit to the main dashboard and click on New Video. Now we are going again with our own brand preset. You can add your script or a blog here, or you can start from absolutely zero text. And we are opting for a Facebook video this time. Again, wait just a bit. And of course, remember that you have your customer support here on the right-hand side if you want to ask them anything, or if you feel like there's a feature that doesn't work the way you want it to. Now, the reason I wanted to do this from scratch is to show you that it is a bit of a limited tool so far, because you can only really add the text, add subscenes, media such as, again, GIFs, changing the layout really, and again some style edits, the format, just what we've discussed so far, and you can cut the video as you need it if you have a stock one or your own. But really there aren't that many other options. Now another small thing I like is on the dashboard, the analytics section, which unfortunately you cannot use that much to keep track of the actual performance of the videos, but you can kind of see how much time you've spent on them or what their average length was. Now, really, this is all about Lumen5. The tool is very straightforward to use. You will definitely want to use this for the instant videos, which are by far their core feature. If you want to turn your articles into social media posts or YouTube posts, anything that might help you repurpose that content a bit. I'm just going to remove for this last preview the sound so I can talk on top of the actual preview. Make sure when you opt for this that you check all of the text, all of the transition styles, background images, anything like that, to actually have the right data in place without maybe giving out the little tips and tricks that you want people to discover by actually reading that article. Now, if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like it. And I will see you next time. I am leaving in the description below a link to some of my courses if you have time for that. As always, take care. If you have any other topics you'd like me to talk about, tools to review, feel free to leave the recommendation in the comments below. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.